Morning student, I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you friction. First, introduction of friction. What is friction? When contact of two bodies then generate a friction. And another word I say to you, that is when one object are in motion, then opposites of that force, that motion, that is friction. That is say to frictional force. Means that is any object are moving in different terms, like say to a football I kicked, then it is move in forward direction. Say to that direction is move in that direction, that is move to that places. After some times that football are be slower, that is that times that is faster. Then after sometimes then that is slower. Why? That is opposite of another force. That name is frictional force. Opposite of any motion, opposite of any forces, that opposite force is frictional force. In different terms, like a football hit, then after some time they will stop. If a vehicle then move forward direction, after some times if not applied the constant forces, then after they are in a stop. If you move from a bicycle, then if you are not force are applied on pedal, after some times your bicycle is a stop. Why? The opposite of another thing means contact of that surface, that is generate that ball is in forward direction, that moving that frictional force in opposite direction, that is force of football, that is force of friction. So I say to that football move in forward direction, but frictional force are opposite in opposite direction. So if when the greater force of football, that is move one A place to B place, then after sometimes that force is slower, so that football is a stop at a place. So frictional force is a contact force. When contact to two bodies, then one force is greater, then frictional force is opposite of that object. So after some times that object will be a stop. What is the reason of that is frictional force? In some examples of like a boat floating on a river, so after some times when apply a force, then boat are moved. After some times that is a stop. So water are opposite of that force, so that force is frictional force. So that is generate of friction. If another example, if you walking here and there, then you watch when you a smooth surface, your leg is move forward direction, easily walk. And if you walk on hilly side, means big size stone are placed here, that types, so that that places your speed, stone sides like bricks, stones, that is that types, that places your speed is slower because that object is opposite, more force are apply you, then your speed is slow. Why? Because that is more friction, more rough surface, that is more friction is generated. Less rough surface means a smoothness, more a smoothness, that is less friction. If you watching everywhere, some person are drop some oils on the surface, then that surface a smoothness are increases. If you walk and that places, so a smoothness are is very less, very roughness, sorry, roughness is are very less, a smoothness is increases. So that places you walk, then friction is very less. So you walk, then you are sleeping, and that places are you one place to another place move easily. And are you watching, and some of a snow side area, some person are playing on the snow, because snow is very less friction are generated on that contact of that person. So friction are more in more rough surface, and friction is less than a smooth surface. So need of friction to move one place to another place safely. So necessary for different purpose and different uses. Friction are beneficial, and some places friction are dangerous. So next topic, again I describe the next topic. Okay, thank you.